it is freezing cold out. My car just never heats up, does it? I hate driving in this weather. Can barely see a darn thing. I don't even know where the road is. What is that? Is that a person? I recognize the jacket. That's my coworker. What the heck? Hey! Hey! Yes, you, hello! It's Kat from work? What are you doing? What? Are you Cocoa Banana Puffs? It's freezing outside. Why are you walking out in a blizzard? Get in the car right now. Hurry up. Cheese and crackers, what has gotten into them? They're gonna freeze to death out there. Don't just stand there with the door open. Get in. I'm trying to help you. You don't need any help? Stop being ridiculous and sit yourself down in this seat. Hurry up. Close the door. Oh, it is cold out. If you'd stop arguing and just listen to me for 1 second. I mean, come on, it's negative numbers out there. Hi, good to see you. It's always fun to see coworkers out of the office, out and about, doing whatever it is you do. Well, I'm sorry I yelled. I was cold because the window was down and the door was open and I got excited. Because I don't understand what the heck you were doing outside in a blizzard. Alone. Walking. Like a yeti wandering the mountain peaks. Are you okay? Did your car break down or something? You are miles away from town. Here, take your gloves off. Put your hands on the vents. Warm up your fingers. I turned the heat up. Hopefully that will help. Well, what? So talk to me. Do you need me to call someone? Are you having some kind of crisis? Because I learned a few coping skills at a public speaking class I took. They didn't really work for me, but maybe they'd work for you if you want to try them. Do you need to, breathe or calm down or... No, okay, you're fine. You're fine. Whoa, hey, shut that door. What are you doing? Stop it. Just sit for a second. What, do you have somewhere you need to be? No? Okay, then give me a minute. I'm sorry, I yelled at you again. There's a lot going on and I'm very cold. I'm sorry. Well, I don't like being cold. And you are shivering. Yes, you are. Look at your hands. You don't feel cold? Well, feelings can be weird like that. Are you sober? Okay, it's fine. Look, I'm not trying to mess up your whole day. I just don't understand why you're out here. And I feel like something isn't right. And I want to help you. Will you let me help you? Okay, just don't open that door again. I would like to stay warm, please. Can I take you home? No, you're walking away from home. Okay, well, I'm driving to my home. Can I take you there? You can warm up and maybe explain to me what is going on. I'm not leaving you out there. You're going to turn into an icicle. Will you come with me, please? Okay, good. We'll go to my place and get you some tea or something. Okay, here I will set this mug down right there. Careful, it's hot, but you should drink it. I'm gonna sit down too because I am tired and cold. You were pretty quiet on the drive over here. But I'm gonna need some answers from you because I have a lot of questions. Why were you walking outside, alone, miles from town, in a blizzard? You're lucky I even saw you in that snowfall. I could have mowed right over you. Look, I know we've met like twice. I offered to share my potato chips in the break room. And then that one time I accidentally spilled my tea all over your shoe because I was trying to open the door with my hands full. You remember that? Yeah, you remember. Anyways, I know we don't know each other, but I saw you out there in the snow and I'm worried about you. Of course I am. That's not typical behavior, heading out into the weather like that. It will be dark soon. That's so dangerous. What were you thinking? You went on a walk to clear your head? What is going on in your head that it's clearer out there than in here? Don't you care about your safety? You weren't even thinking about that? Too much other stuff on your mind, huh? Your hands and feet were cold and numb. Your face is windburned. You look rough. You just don't seem okay. Your brain should be telling you to get warm and seek shelter and take care of yourself. But it's driving you out into the wilderness. Something's not okay. Can you see that? I can. I bet you shrug off a lot of things. You really thought I was just gonna wave and keep driving and leave you stumbling off into the dark snowdrifts, didn't you? Why would you think no one would notice or care? Drink your tea. Well, you're lucky I saw you. I almost didn't even go out today. I went to take a sewing class at the library, but when I got there it had been canceled due to weather. So I had to go home. I was really disappointed too. They were going to teach us how to darn socks with a weaving technique. I have some nice wool socks, but they have holes in them. I know I could learn how to darn online, but I think there's something really special about people meeting up to pass on information and teach each other. It's good to have that human connection and to spend time with other people who are rooting for you. Do you go on a lot of walks to clear your head? Does it work? What's at home that you felt you needed to get miles away from? I'm not trying to pry, I'm just trying to understand. But maybe I can't. That's okay. Hey, hold on. Where are you going? No, please, sit down. You're not imposing. My class was canceled. I have literally nowhere to be. What do you mean, don't worry about you? How could I not worry about you? It's okay. You're not bothering me. Nothing about you being here is an inconvenience. Hey, come here. Come on, sit down. Please, sit. Drink your tea. Try to relax a little bit. It's like you're all up in your fight or flight. I'm not trying to corner you. It's just me. I'm pretty harmless. I just want to make sure you're okay. They seem really tense. Like they're here, but they're not really here. Do you need any food or anything? Okay, tell me if you get hungry. Do you usually have days like this, or are you feeling kind of off? Just a bad day? Yeah, okay. That can happen. It's unfortunate when it happens during a blizzard, though. Look, it's getting dark. I really don't want to go out again in that weather. And I'm certainly not letting you walk home. Do you have anyone you can call to come pick you up? No? That's okay. You can just stay here tonight if you want. Sure, I've got a nice couch. It's warm in here. I don't snore too loud, but if you hear it echoing down the hall, don't be alarmed. I don't think you should be alone tonight. It seems like you're having a really tough day, and you could use someone to look after you for a few hours. You are not going back out there. I will try to stop you, but I'm not very strong, so you're just gonna have to listen to me. Unless you want me outside chasing after you. And you know how I hate to be cold, and it makes me yell, so probably best to avoid that. Come on. Sleep on the couch. It's fine. Don't feel bad. Well, then don't do it for you. Do it for me. Because I'm scared. I think there's a bear outside, and I need you to stay here so I feel safe. I won't be able to sleep if you leave because of the bear fear. What? You don't think that's true? There could be a bear outside. You don't know. You don't think I'm making it up just to get you to stay, do you? Okay. So which is it? Are you gonna stay and protect me from the bear? Or are you gonna call me a liar? Okay. It's a deal. You spend the night, but you're responsible for fighting off any and all bears that break in. I think that's fair. I'll get you some blankets and a good pillow. I hope you sleep well tonight. I know I will. Hey! Good morning. Oh, sorry. Oh, I thought you were awake. I didn't mean to wake you up. Sorry, my bad. I was gonna start breakfast. I was wondering if you wanted anything. Oh, no, you don't have to leave right now. Take your time. You really need to get back home? Okay. That's okay. The snow let up, and the plows came through around 4 a.m., so the roads are not as treacherous. I can drive you home. I'll go warm up the car. Just let me grab my coat and slip into my boots. No, it's okay. I'm happy to do it. I want to make sure you get home safe. You know, maybe you did just need a nice walk and a good night's sleep to clear your head. Though, preferably not during a blizzard next time. Okay? Of course. It's gonna be okay. I hope things look up for you soon.